Drug abuse or substance abuse refers to the use of certain chemicals for the purpose of creating pleasurable effects on the brain. There are over 190 million drug users around the world, and the problem has been increasing at alarming rates, especially among young adults under the age of 30. In Nigeria, according to statistics as at 2021, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, revealed that 40% of Nigerian youths between 18 and 35 years are deeply involved in the abuse of drugs. Speaking to BTV News crew, some respondents shared their views on substance abuse and health effects it has on the system of an individual, while stating what could influence its usage by the abuser.
In psychology, there's what we call simple neurosis. Simple neurosis, madness starts gradually. So when somebody takes drug, it's bound to behave otherwise. But if you don't take drug at all, you don't behave otherwise. Your brain remains normal and you focus in good things.
We use nowadays most of the dental drugs, maybe as a result of many causes. One, because of maybe frustration. What I've discovered is that when you are highly engaged, you hardly go into drugs. Though we know some people take it for leisure, but most people, they abuse it.
Others stated ways the menace of drug abuse can be curbed in society. They revealed the family, schools and government have pivotal roles to play by influencing the minds of people and should encourage substance abusers to desist from such due to its long-term effects on the psyche and overall health of an individual.
The parents should start by teaching their children at early age the dangers of involving in drug abuse and all that. And you know, drug abuse varies. It's not just hard drugs. People go about abusing drugs as common as paracetamol every day. So I think you should start with the parents first, then the schools. Secondary schools too should, just the way they do for sex education, they should also put it in their curriculum. If it's every Friday, they can gather the students, teach them about drug abuse, the dangers, the disadvantages, and how it can affect their heads negatively. Then after that, the government can now come in.
This issue of drugs abuse is destroying the youth. And the parents should be cautious of whom their children move with, where he goes, and how he comes home. And again, the government should also ban the importation of those drugs. If the importation of those drugs are being banned from entering the society or the country, then the children or whoever will not say to abuse or use.
The family should be the center of attraction whereby this drug abuse aspect should be stopped. The family need to orientate their children concerning drug abuse, and also the government and the religious body. These are agents, agency that has a key part to play in the aspect of drug abuse.
To advise and encourage the people involved to abstain from drug abuse, in essence of friends, relationship, and also try to advise them on knowing the dose to take while involving in drugs.
If the parents put more effort in educating our children the effect of drugs, I think that will go a long way to prevent drug abuse. Secondly, the churches too should emphasize more on it, and also school. So everybody should be on ground to make more effort to teach more about it and give a concrete teaching about the damages of drug abuse.
Oluwatoyin Oyedola reporting for BTV News.